Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you guys are new here this week, last week we were sandblasting the frame and the box of this gravel trailer. Personally, I thought it would be too long of a video if I included painting the box, doing the Raptor liner, and doing the frame all in one video. But drop a comment down below, I'd like to hear from you guys. But for such an old trailer, man, did this thing turn out nice. I mean, this thing gets beat down the gravel roads every single day. And yeah, for 1998, this thing was in great shape even when it came to us. So we are going to be putting epoxy primer on it and 2 coats of urethane top coat. There is also something about doing a refurb on something like this. I mean, it's way more satisfying than doing a brand new tank or a brand new deck. We do lots of new stuff, so it's always nice to get these where it's older and you can make it look as good as new again. And last but not least, let's get into painting this thing. One thing I cannot talk enough of is make sure it's blown off properly. Like, make sure there's no dirt, no sand, nothing. Like, even if you have to blow it off twice, or if it takes you an extra hour, it's totally worth it, because if you don't, the 30 hours you put in before that are completely pointless at that point, because it still doesn't look very good. Also, when you're doing this stuff, you have to kind of do some forethinking. Kind of like, if you noticed, I stopped it here because I just noticed it myself. And then there's lots of stuff that I do that I don't even notice I do if I was teaching someone. But I was blowing the paper off that was on the tires. So just say you're painting something or you bump it with your leg or your body, and the sand can fall right onto the springs or the frame of the trailer, and then it's it's game over. It doesn't look good anymore as soon as you do that. So that is one thing I do want to touch on, is if you notice my tip was moved 90 degrees, so my pattern was the complete opposite direction. So you go to spray and it's just going to make a straight line right across something. And it's not a big deal if it's something small, you can always repaint it, but if it's like the side of this box or the side of the frame, it's going to make a disaster. So just something to get in the habit of checking before, say you set it down to move a ladder, just check it before you go and spray. I know it's hard to do. I mean, I've done it plenty of times and you have to fix it. And I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm definitely going to do it some more. But if you can get in the habit of checking, definitely save you some problems down the road.
Thank you.
give you guys a look around of what the frame looks like quick. I also gotta take out all these parts. Gotta hang a few other things that are gonna be going onto the box that are the same color as that. How good does that frame look? Pretty good for a 26-year-old iron, eh? If there's any good knowledge or any good tips and tricks I gave you guys, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please leave a comment below. I love to hear from you guys. And last but not least, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.